Here it is, the Orac Town Hall building. What do you think, Brent? Half a day? 2 weeks? Bid it for 2 days, took 2 weeks. Yeah, I think it'd be quick and easy. They've been here since 1950. All the township meeting stuff here. 70 years. Few things that have to happen before you can even do a demo job like this. So you have all the utilities disconnected. That could be electrical, propane, sewer, water, internet, power. You gotta get all your ducks in a row. Before you do that, you have to get asbestos testing and removal if there is any found, a permit. There's inspections. You gotta get that clean asbestos report sent over to the landfill before you can bring it there, because you don't dump this crap out in your uncle's back porch. It's gotta go to the landfill. The landfill has to have that prior to you bringing the demo there. So there's a bit of a process to go through before you can start a project like this. But once you kind of get that process down, it's the same every time, so it goes pretty smooth. So should have this all wrapped up in about 2 days. Our goal yesterday was to get all the demo debris knocked down and hauled out, which we did. Now we're just working on the foundation. Then we got to compact this conbit. So we have compaction tests here in a little bit. So get all this concrete out and then get it graded, get some conbit in, get it compacted, and hopefully pass the compaction test. Those little details where it ain't a big deal, but it is a deal, and it goes a long ways. Having the right color paint for your sanitary and for your water. chunk of concrete. Call this well used or abused? Look at that. Comment below, is that well used or abused? I'd say it's well used. Not built to last. Not quite built for what we do with it. Mason, what's going on? I think you've been working.
I still work around here with my dad.
Whoa!
There's no AC in there.
What, have you had that one like 3 years now?
Last week.
Last week? Shoot.
No.
Hard-working guy. Does your backup camera work? Oh, maybe not.
It's so small you can't hardly see.
Yeah, the trailer's just too low. Don't worry, Brent will help you out. 3-man job.
Yeah. One thing, tip of the day, the more people you have hooking up a trailer,
The better.
no, the more that people forget.
The more that forgets to get done.
Yeah.
Look at this guy repping rock hard out here.
Give you a free shirt, you have to buy the stairs.
Just messing with you, Zach. We love you, but that last time we got pavers was kind of a bit of a racket, huh?
They got a lot of favors lately, I guess.
They did, yeah. What's that?
I was wondering why it's so heavy, but I was just looking at the truck.
Oh, lifting the truck up. Nice.
No, yeah, it was that JR.
Would he step on a rake and whap himself?
Yeah, that, what's her name?
That one job? The one rip wrap job? Nice. You stepped on it like this?
Yeah, pretty much.
Ow. How'd everything go here, buddy? Pretty good?
I think so, and break nothing. Other shed's still standing.
Great.
So,
Did you have any close calls of hitting the other shed?
I don't think so.
On to the next one.
Yeah. Rip down another one tomorrow.
Another garage tomorrow, yeah.
Need anything else, Brad?
That's it. You're good.
Where's that whacker from?
Lano. See you on the next one. That's all I got for you guys in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. We sure had a lot of fun. Dusty come and got the 145 and we'll be on to the next one. So tearing down a garage tomorrow, digging some footings for a new one, tearing out some concrete, all kinds of fun stuff. So thanks for watching, and remember, it is what you make it to be.